a key deliverable for the city of Harare, as we have a lot of infrastructure. We have around 43 clinics, 13 polyclinics that do maternal care, and we are trying to upgrade Mavuku hospital into a district hospital, so to speak. We need to focus on primary health care, and we also need to expand our definition of primary health care. And why I say so is because we need to be able, there is pressure on Pareniatwa and Harare Hospital, which are our primary learning institutions. So now what happens is that Pareniatwa and Harare hospitals are supposed to be hospitals that receive serious cases from all over the country, and also that help people to learn, our doctors, our nurses, and our specialists. And it costs a whole lot more to assemble a team to treat people in Pareniatwa or Harare Hospital. But what we need is that Harare needs to have a district hospital facility to be able to take the pressure off Pareniatwa. It is problematic that for someone with just a procedure of a broken leg in an accident is probably taking up space for someone who is supposed to have a complicated procedure at Pareniatwa. And it costs a whole lot more to then mobilize that. So as Harare, the lack of a district hospital has created an anomaly, as we are now using a lot of resources to deal with simple cases and blocking other complicated cases that ordinarily would be treated at an institution of learning and on a specialty hospital. So that's why we, as the city of Harare, hope to bridge that gap in consultation with the Ministry of Health, upgrade some of our polyclinics to the state of district hospitals with an ability to handle certain cases, cesarean operations, casualties, accident. You don't need to be driving them, and you find that a theater is fully booked over a simple procedure that could have been done in other provinces by a district hospital. So we are. Am I making sense, Doctor? I'm just a lawyer, so I might say things, but that's my understanding of Pareniatwa and Harare Hospital. That they are primarily for expanding our frontiers of medicine, and also to be able to deal with complicated cases from right around the country. And invariably, that means for you to assemble a team at that place, you are assembling some of the best you can find in the country, which means they are invariably more expensive than you would at a district hospital. So you are having highly educated people, highly educated and a complicated institution dealing with an accident victim who probably just broke his arm or something like that, and the theaters are booked. But anyway, it is important that we have these public-private partnerships that we are having, so that at least they help people to access, in other countries, the space we are sitting here, which we are giving here, can actually be a space where a hospital can be built. This is a whole lot of space. If you go higher, you can actually build 4, 5, 6 stories, and you'll have a medium-sized hospital. So this is very good land, and it will be useful for the people of Sunningdale and to be able to get these things. I hope it will provide maternity. Yes. It does. And once the theater technology increases and our personnel increases, I do hope we should have capacity to handle casualties, so that we don't drive people across town risking another accident to try and get them to a place where they can be operated on or stabilized. But as for, and also we need to put on add-ons, mobile dialysis kits, dialysis, other diagnostics equipment that is required. I think as a council, we should look at building exemplary. And I hope the design is a good design. I have a problem with our designs people act as if they are building hospitals or clinics in a refugee camp. And, there are blocks. If you look at our primary schools in the high density suburbs, you would think you are in a refugee camp just at the end of a war. It's just an ugly block. And that is why people don't bother finding names for them. They'll just say Budiro 1, Budiro 2, Budiro 4, Budiro 5, because no one is admiring the architect. And when people are going at sports, they are saying 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. One. It's just a dystopian society. We need to be able to have a unique design for this clinic, so that people will be able to say, no, in a clinic, so design. It doesn't cost much to have those beautiful designs. So I do hope that the design that you have is not just element of beauty, element of trying to create a monument. Yekuti vana vachifamba vanouya vachiona vachikura vachiziva kuti shamwari ndakakura pane clinic itori bhoo zvisingaiti and so forth like that. So we want that kind of beauty in the things that we are going to be constructing at this place, and we hope that we will use the Chinese model of building. As you see, I'm wearing a Chinese suit. Once you start building, you don't stop until you finish. So inini ndakangofanana nomukuru wenyika ndinofarira maribhoni achitika inini nayo ndinofarira kuti ndikaita stone ndodzokazve neribhoni ndichida kutodzoka handitovati ndatoudza mudzimai wangu kuti hakune kliniki yandichatonovhura in 3 months time. Saka mudzimai anenge achitofanirwa kutenga imwe sutu futi Chinese yekuti ndiwe ndakapfeka. So let's hope we are going to build in quick time this facility. Zvinhu zvinovakwa nechop hazviunzi mutauro. Ndinoona pesa apa vari kudetsewa vana vamwe vedu varikubva vasungwa mbudzi nechi kuita zvinhu zvinenge zvatora time kudini kuitwa. Handiti dai vakangodziri kuti vachingopuwa contract yavo vakangodziti mbudzi dziti dzidziuya vanhu vakangokomplaina, vanhu havakomplaini. Chinonetsa ndechekuti ukaita chinono ndo panotanga kubvunzwa kuti saka vakambopuwa contract yacho ndivanani, vanga vane capacity here, vanga ndivanani. Ende vanhu vemuZimbabwe vanokutsvaga paTikTok, umwe anenge atotaura kai vakambodana nhingi kuprimary akakura akadai. Saka zvinhu zvatinota kana takupa izvo isusu mapublic officials tiregai tisamboitawo chop so that hazvizoti patakavhizitira kuya vamafunde mukatorwa mapicture richingori ground. It embarrasses everybody, and ndo patotanga kuzvuzvurudzwa kunzi right chimboenda kuseri kwamagistrate uvhunzwe kuti nyaya yako ndiye, iwe chimboenda uvhunzwe kuti nyaya yako ndiye. So if we are able nokuzinzwa kakansela zvinhu zvinoda chop kliniki ino ikavapo chero pakazoita mubvunzo vanhu vanenge vachiti havakorekiteka kliniki itoripo urikuvakarisha pato pane koma isipo pacontract isaika koma yacho azidzika manje wakavaeriri ground kushaikwa koma pacontract unosungirwa kushaikwa kwekoma kuti manje makoma iwawo ndo akakosha tokatimataura kuti kusei muchisiya koma pacontract onai manje hamuna kuzovaka. So let's encourage these public-private partnerships. So I'm happy that I'm here. I don't have much time, but I just thought that I could not let the councillor down. He has been talking about this, and also ultimately the residents. As like they said, Masano is supposed to now come a contract na minister. Tinoenda pamberi paminista ovhunza kuti saka iwe zvaurumeya uchada kuitire vanhu veruzhinji voti andavachira makiriniki zvikoro nechi havogamuchira naivo vanotomuchira vozongokuti after 3 months zvikoro zvavaitaura zviyava tokumbura kundoona foundation voti handina makiriniki handina chichi onyorwa kunzi anonyeka ndokubuda manewspaper ari useless mafume takutodzingirana paya. So isusu tiri kuda kuti